Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going over the severe weather outbreak that is possible today. So let's go ahead and get into it. So today we have a moderate risk of severe weather that does include Nashville, Tennessee, Bowling Green, Kentucky, and Franklin, Tennessee. So we have a 10% significant tornado risk that does include Nashville, Tennessee, Bowling Green, Kentucky, Springfield, Missouri, and Jefferson, Missouri. And then there's a 45% significant wind risk, and then a 45% risk of hail, and that is also significant. So the wind risk will be a very large threat today for 75-mile-per-hour wind gusts or higher. So let's go ahead and take a look at the radar. We have one ongoing tornado warning, and this is radar indicated as of now. And then there's also a severe thunderstorm warning for the same storm for golf ball size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So let's go to the south, where we also have two severe thunderstorm warnings, and those are for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar sized hail. We also have one ongoing tornado watch as of now, and this is a 70% chance for 2 or more tornadoes, and then a 40% chance for 1 or more strong tornadoes, which is EF2 or higher. And there's also a 95% chance for the probability of 6 or more combined severe hail or wind events. We also have a day 2 enhanced risk, which is a 3 out of 5, and this does include Dallas, Texas, Waco, and Austin, Texas. And this does include a 2% tornado risk, and there are actually 3 areas of 2% tornado risk. And the one is in Texas, and that does include San Antonio, Austin, Waco, and Dallas, Texas. And then we have another one in portions of the southeast that does include Columbus, Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia, Columbia, South Carolina, and Charleston, South Carolina. And then there's also one up north that does include Washington, D.C., and Baltimore, Maryland. There's also a very large 15% wind risk, and then another very large 15% hail risk. But inside of that 15% hail risk, there's actually a 30% significant hail risk, and that does include Waco, Texas, Austin, Texas, and Dallas, Texas. There's also a day 3 marginal risk, which includes portions of the southeast. So that will include Tallahassee, Florida, Jacksonville, Florida, Dothan, Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, Columbus, Georgia, Savannah, Georgia, Charleston, South Carolina, Columbia, South Carolina, and Wilmington, North Carolina. Let's go ahead and have a look at the models for today and tomorrow. Let's go ahead and get this started. This is going to be around 2 p.m. And as we can see, we have some of those storms in Missouri and portions of Kentucky and Tennessee. We will keep this moving, and then we could have a line of storms that forms in portions of Missouri, Kentucky, and Tennessee. And then we also keep this moving, and then that will start to move into portions of Tennessee and possibly Arkansas, and then the Carolinas and portions of Alabama and Georgia. And then we'll keep this moving. We do have that line of storms possibly die down. And then I do believe we will have several supercells that form in portions of Georgia and the Carolinas that will have that slight tornado risk. But mainly, I believe a large hail and a damaging wind risk. So with that, that's all I have for this video.